my god, you guys, it has been so long since I've sat down and filmed like an actual YouTube video, and I am so sorry. TikTok has been taking up so much of my time. I'm always like filming like 6 to 7 videos a day on TikTok. Well, for TikTok when I'm off, I only get 2 days off a week, so there is so much that goes on in my life, and I'm so sorry. But today I was like, I need to sit down and do an old-fashioned YouTube video because honestly, I love TikTok, but I love YouTube so much more because it's just more just like casual, and you get to make the video as long or as short as you want. Like TikTok and Instagram Reels, you got to keep it like 60 seconds. There's so much that needs to be said in 60 seconds, and it's a lot sometimes. So I do miss YouTube. So I'm really happy to be back. So what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I'm gonna keep it kind of simple for like my back in action video, if that makes sense. Today's gonna be an empties video. There is so much stuff in this bag. It's been a while since I filmed an empties video, so that's what today's video is going to be. If you guys are excited, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this video. I was trying some new stuff today for TikTok, and I do not like how my makeup looks. Like, I'm feeling very insecure right now. Like, I'm looking in the viewfinder and I'm like, oh, I hate how my makeup looks. But besides the point, let's just get into this. So first thing, of course, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know this is my holy grail micellar water. This is the Bioderma. This is in French. Oh, it's the moisturizing micellar water. So it's the one with the blue cap. I love this stuff. I have been using Bioderma for probably like 7 years now. I refuse to change. Anytime I try another micellar water, it burns my eyes. This is the only one that doesn't, so I will continue to use this till the end of time. Then we have my go-to, oh wait, no, that's not my go-to. This is another go-to cleanser, but not my everyday cleanser. This is the salicylic acid cleanser from the Inkeylist. I love this cleanser, and I love the Inkeylist. Everything I try from them is always such a hit. It's so good, and I love that it's so affordable. It's amazing. Then another repeat product. This is so dirty. This is the Beauty Blender liquid soap. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know this is my holy grail sponge cleaner. I use it to clean all of my sponges, not only my Beauty Blender, but this is the only sponge that doesn't like break apart my sponges and also doesn't break me out. So I love this stuff, and I will continue to repurchase it. Oh my god, my sponge spilled all, not my sponge, the soap spilled all over this next product. Ah, look at this. Ah, there's soap everywhere. Ah, okay, but this is the Caudalie grape water. You guys, I cannot live without this guy. This is a staple in my morning and my nighttime skincare routine. I cannot do that, like do either or without that product. It is the best thing to ever exist, and I know you guys are probably like, it's just expensive water. Yes, I'm very much aware of that, but I love it, and it's an experience that just makes everything look so much better, so cannot live without that. Then this is a newer Empties, but I'm really excited to share it with you guys because I'm obsessed with this product. This is the Tree Hut Tropic Glow Firming Whipped Shea Body Butter. You guys, look, I have used, I'm sure I could keep using it, but you guys, this is my favorite scent from Tree Hut. Like, everything I buy from them is always this scent. I really don't like any other scent besides this one, and I am obsessed with this body butter. It is so good, you guys. I cannot get enough of it, and I already have another one on hand because I am just obsessed with it. I have another one of every single product that I just like talked to you guys about. I've already repurchased all of them because cannot live without these. Then we have the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. So I used to really ride or die for the setting spray, but I used it a few weeks ago, and for some reason it made my concealer crack. Like, after a few hours, I looked in the mirror and my concealer was literally flaking off. So I don't know if it was the setting spray or what it was, but I have to play around with it a little bit more. But when I looked in the mirror, I could not believe that my concealer was, I could literally just go like this and my concealer was just flaking off. And I was going to the Backstreet Boys concert, so I was freaking out. I was like, why is my concealer flaking? But I think it had to do with the setting spray. I may have used too much in the way that I did it. So I don't know about this one. I have to like keep playing around with it because I used to love it, but after that experience, I was like, what's happening? And we have the Kenra Blow Dry Spray. This is my go-to blow dry spray when it comes to maintaining and controlling my frizz, especially in the summer. The humidity is absurd anywhere that I go, in my house, outside, at my job. Like, there is just humidity everywhere and my hair goes crazy. This is my go-to spray to help with it. It hasn't been doing like the best job recently, so I'm trying other ones, but for the most part, this is my go-to. I really, really do enjoy it. Sometimes the humidity is just way too much that this, like even this product can't like withstand the humidity because it's so out of control sometimes in the summer, but nonetheless, it is my go-to leave-in spray. I love it. I have another go-to product. Do I only have, oh no, I have two of these. This is the Belief Aqua Bomb Toner. It would not be an Empties video if I did not talk about this product. This is another skincare product that I cannot live without. I go through these like water. That's so funny. But I literally go through like probably one every like 2 to 3 months. Don't you love the lash? Like how did the lash even get in there? It's just hanging out. But these, like this one is my go-to toner. I cannot get enough of it. It's so hydrating and it feels so good on my skin. And this is just like the best product to ever exist. Love it. We have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dew Drops. These are a staple in my skincare routine. I got them for the first time as a Christmas gift, and at that time I was having like little bumps all over the top of my head and nothing I did would make it go away. The second I started using this serum, they went away within a few days, and I have never ever not used this. I either use it in the morning or at night. I try to use it more so in the morning, but this is a holy grail staple in my collection. I cannot live without it. And we have the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream with SPF 30 in it. Another go-to product. I don't use this every single day. I use it on occasion, but I do really, really enjoy this moisturizer. It's so good, and I love that it has SPF 30 in it. It's a really good affordable moisturizer. I'm like, what am I trying to say? And we have, okay, here's my holy grail cleanser. This is the Inkeylist Hyaluronic Acid Cleanser. I love this cleanser for everyday use. It is so good. It doesn't strip my skin. It leaves my skin feeling hydrated, and I can tell my skin is just really clean after using this. I am obsessed with it, and I will continue to repurchase it because it's so affordable and it's so good. And we have another product from the Inkeylist. As you can see, I love them and I ride or die for them. This is the hyaluronic acid, just the regular hyaluronic acid, and I love this too. Like I said before, it's so affordable, this brand, that everything I try from them, I'm so impressed, and I will continue to repurchase 99% of their products because I just love them. And this one is another go-to product of mine. I'm obsessed, and I could not believe that I finished this. This is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. I have never finished a full like lip balm like this before, you guys. This is my favorite lip balm of life. When I tried it a few years ago, I wasn't crazy about it, and then when they updated the packaging, I tried it again, and I love it. I cannot live without this. It's literally either on my nightstand or in one of my purses. It's just my go-to. I love this one so much. We have another go-to product. This is the Colourpop Brow Boss Brow Pencil. I love this. It's $6, and I refuse, like absolutely refuse to spend more money on a brow pencil when I can just use this. Brows, I don't like to spend too much time on them because I don't like my brows to look too harsh, and this does the job. I use it to fill in my brows today, and as you can see, they're looking good. I don't need like much effort with this, which I love. It's so easy to use, and I hope they never discontinue this because my go-to brow pencil for $6, like I can't live without it. Speaking of brows, this is the NYX Thicket Brow Mascara. This went viral on TikTok probably like 3 to 6 months ago. I love this to set my brows, and I love it when I'm not wearing any brow pencil, like on my days when I go to work. I will just slap this on my brows just to kind of keep them in place, and it gives just the right amount of tint. I love this stuff. I cannot get enough of it. I've already repurchased another one of it. Like I said, everything in this video, I've already repurchased it. That's why I'm talking to you guys about it, because I'm obsessed with every single product in this like Empties video. I love them all. The reason for that is because if I don't like a product, it's going back. Like, I do not care. I'm not going to finish a product unless I'm like 50-50 on it. I'm like, all right, I can tolerate it. I'm not crazy about it, but I can tolerate it. I will finish it. But most of the time, especially when it comes to skincare, if I'm not loving it, back to Sephora, back to Ulta it goes. I don't have time to sit here and use a product that I'm not dying over. You know what I mean? And this is my go-to liner, and a lot of you guys have been asking me questions in my videos which liner I'm using, and it's always this one. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Liquid Liner. It is the best, smoothest, most pigmented liner I've ever used, and I will continue to repurchase it because I love this liner. No liner compares. I'm always out there trying new ones, and I always find myself returning them because none of them compare to the Too Faced one. It's so good. And we have the best makeup brush cleaner to ever exist, the Cinema Secrets just brush cleaner. It's a quick drying formula. This is so good, you guys. You can literally dip your brush in, clean it, and then your brush is ready to use because it's already dry, and it's so clean. I love this, and this is the only product I've used for years to clean my brushes, and I will continue to use it because it's so good. This is last product. I cannot believe I finished it. I'm so sad because I'm obsessed with this product. This is from the brand Dossier. This is a perfume. This is in the scent Ambery Cedarwood. You guys. So pretty much Dossier is a brand that makes perfumes that are inspired by higher brands for a more affordable price, which we love a good affordable perfume. This is inspired by Alien by Mugler. You guys, this smells so much like Alien, and obviously I finished the entire thing. I could not get enough of this perfume. I couldn't believe that it smelled spot on to Alien. So if you guys were interested in finding affordable, inspired by perfumes, check out Dossier because this scent is so spot on. Like, I can smell this and then go and smell Alien and I can't even tell the difference. That's how spot on they are, and I love them, and the lasting power is the same as a higher end product. I'm frigging obsessed with them. Alright, you guys, that completes this video. You guys, I have missed YouTube so much. Please, please, please leave me all of your video recommendations down below. Let me know what you want to see from me. Let me know if you're enjoying me uploading my shorts here too, because I do upload my TikToks to Instagram and to YouTube to kind of keep the content on all of them in case like you guys don't follow me on all 3 platforms. But like I said, I am posting on TikTok a lot, so make sure you follow me there and follow me on Instagram because I am posting on both of them a lot. But yeah, I do definitely miss YouTube, and I cannot wait to film more videos. I really hope that I can find the time and whatnot, but I do want to know what you guys want to see from me. So let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. If you have any video requests, any product reviews, let me know all of your requests down below. I will be happy to fulfill them for you guys. But yeah, so that's all I have for you guys in today's video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll hopefully catch you guys in my next video.